I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Denovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Today we're going to visit 3 unique places whose waterways dump into the Gulf of Mexico. And at the end of this video, we're going to visit the St. Marks Lighthouse, so you don't want to miss that. Remember to please subscribe and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. We start our adventure at the Natural Bridge Battlefield Historic State Park. It is located about 15 miles southeast of Tallahassee, Florida. During the Civil War, the Battle of Natural Bridge was fought on these sacred grounds on March 6, 1865. This is the Natural Bridge Monument. Confederate troops and volunteers prevented the United States Colored Troops, a Union Army regiment, from crossing the Natural Bridge. The St. Marks River flows to this park, but at this point, it seems that the river ends at this pond. But it's actually a sinkhole where the river continues underneath this road. Thus becoming known as Florida's Natural Bridge. It is apparent that this river is flowing by the circular movement of water at this sinkhole. Located 15 miles west of Natural Bridge is the Edward Ball Wakulla Springs State Park. The heart of this state park is this 2-story lodge which opened in 1937. It was created by Edward Ball. What makes the lodge so unique is the ceiling, which is painted with local wildlife scenes and European folk art designs. As you take the stairs to the second floor, there's a painting of Edward Ball. Edward Ball was into finance and managed the Alfred I. DuPont Testamentary Trust. In other words, he was very rich. On the second floor are the guest rooms and are many photos that relate to Wakulla Springs. Do you know that some of the early Tarzan movies were filmed here? What excited me the most was when I found out Creature from the Black Lagoon movies were filmed here. In the lobby, they play the Creature feature and other productions that were filmed here. And here's another creature that you'll find swimming around in the spring. Located just outside the back of the lodge is one of the most popular attractions of this park, the world-famous Wakulla Spring. The 69-degree, clear, majestic spring creates the Wakulla River. They even have this riverboat tour where you may just see one of those big alligators or even a manatee. Our adventure continues south about 12 miles to the San Marcos de Apalachee Historic State Park. It has this small museum. This map shows Wakulla River and Natural Bridge, and in this case are some old Confederate artifacts from Natural Bridge. In addition to local artifacts from this site, there is this room that shows the history of San Marcos. Located outside is this gravesite of soldiers who were found nearby in a 1965 archaeological excavation. These cisterns collected rainwater into these large stone basins for human consumption. These limestone remains of San Marcos' bastion walls were the fort's main defense to the west along the Wakulla River. This is a look from the summit of the San Marcos Confederate magazine. This was the site of the original Spanish fortification, which was first erected in 1678. This is the St. Marks River, which flowed through the Natural Bridge State Park. And this is the Wakulla River, which started at the Wakulla Springs State Park and now joins the St. Marks River. The last leg of our adventure today takes us 15 miles south to the St. Marks Lighthouse. It is located in the St. Marks National Wildlife Refuge. This historic lighthouse, whose guiding oil lamps were first illuminated in 1831, stands 65 foot tall and is located at the mouth of the St. Marks River. The lighthouse has this museum. Unfortunately, no one is allowed up into the lighthouse, but it doesn't hurt to take a peek at its staircase. The museum area was once the home of the lighthouse keeper. So the St. Marks River is flowing into the Gulf over there. Here's the Gulf of Mexico. And the lighthouse is beyond those palm trees. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today of us briefly exploring these state parks and seeing where these waterways dump into the Gulf of Mexico. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Denovator. I will see y'all the next time.